the old fam, Robin, what's happening. I wanted to share something with you guys. There's an older wheel swap I did a long time ago. It was 1957 Vet from Yachtman, AFX wheels. So when I say to people that I've been doing that for quite some time, I was among some of the first mod cars that I did before I got into YouTube. And compared to, you know, like that one. And that one came out really fantastic. So newer wheel swap. I did not changing the paint, not for the world. And an older one that I kept I had for quite some time, like I said, to be cocky or arrogant, but I've been doing that way before I was on YouTube.